guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this makeup look. Just continue to watch. Start off with primer. I'm using the P.Louisie eyeshadow base, and this is in shade number 4. Prime my eyelid. Fluffy brush. For my crease, I'm taking this Warrior Juvia's palette. I like to start with a lighter eyeshadow first and then work my way up to deepen it up. So I'm taking this matte brown eyeshadow and just apply it in my crease area. And pretty much same routine. I just like to take a light brown or a light eyeshadow color in the crease first and just build it up from there. Just bring it up higher, kind of like close to the eyebrows. Okay, so that's pretty good. Apply the next color in my crease. I'm taking a Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette, and I'm taking this brown matte eyeshadow right here and just apply it in my crease area. So guys, I have a question. Are we done with makeup tutorials on YouTube? Is it just vlogging or hauls? I think it's all about vlogging or hauls now. Let me know your thoughts down below. No one's really doing makeup tutorials anymore. That's just my opinion. I just think it just transitioned to those two main things on YouTube, or the TikToks or Reels. Placing this in the outer corner, and whatever's left over, just sweeping it halfway into my crease. I feel like I need to add like a kind of like a smoky dark brown eyeshadow. Take credit, pop this in the outer corner eye area. Add it and then blend it out. For the lid shade, I'm going in with the color Raine. It looks like more of a silver gunmetal eyeshadow. So I'm gonna apply this all over my lid area. For the base, I'm using NYX glitter primer just to put all over my lid, just to give the eyeshadow a base to stick to. You just want to apply it to the areas, apply the eyeshadow. So I'm just taking it halfway in. To add a little shimmer on the outer corner area, taking the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsession palette, and I'm taking this metallic glitter silver eyeshadow and just pop that in the outer corner area. My Bobbi Brown Vitamin Rich Face Base, which is a moisturizer and a primer all in one. Apply a small amount in the areas that I normally get dry in, which is pretty much around my mouth area, and that's pretty much it. And just apply a little underneath my eye. Makeup Forever color corrector underneath my eyes. That's a little bit too much. Nose and around my mouth area. Take a fluffy brush just to kind of blend it in. Foundation, I'm using NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Macao. Foundation doesn't have any streaks left in it. I'm just going back in with a beauty blender and just kind of lightly just going over that foundation just to blend everything out evenly. For the next step, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel. beauty blender just to go over the concealer. I haven't been in the mood to shop for makeup. What about you guys? I haven't seen anything that caught my eye that I wanted to spend money on. It's been really dry in the market for beauty products. I know Colourpop just dropped a new palette, but I'm like, I don't know if I want to buy it. In the end of it, just blending out the concealer so that way it's blended into the foundation. I'm using the Mercier setting powder in the shade Honey. I always like to apply a light coverage Sephora foundation powder, which is a mineralized micro smooth powder in the shade Mahogany. Bring back some color to my skin. I'm using the Mercier bronzer in the shade number 6. Start at the top and bring it all the way up to my eyebrows. For blush, I'm adding this orangey color right here, more of a peachy color. I'm just adding this on the apple part of my cheekbones. Highlight, I'm using the Colourpop Time Makeup Shayla, which is more of a copper tone highlighter in Pose. And for the eyebrows, I'm just going in with Anastasia Brow Wax. The Makeup Forever lip pencil. For lipstick, I'm using Dose of Color in the shade Peachii. To finish off my makeup, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Artist Couture Lip Gloss Sugarbaby. Okay guys, so this pretty much completes my look. I'm gonna go